Welcome back to my 12 Days of Christmas Cookie series, and this is by far one of my most popular Christmas cookies. Meet my brown butter Christmas crack cookies. We all know the traditional Christmas crack, but what if we mix it into a brown butter cookie? The answer is it's pure Christmas magic. There are so many things to love about this cookie. One, it has brown butter in it, so you get that nice nutty flavor, and it is absolutely loaded with mix-ins. We have Christmas crack, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and sprinkles. You guys, the full written recipe's on my website, so head over there for that.